GK class. G for general, K for knowledge. So welcome to your general knowledge class. Children, before I start today's class, I'll show you some pictures. Look at this. What is this? This is a crow, right? This is a crow. CROW, crow. We all have seen a crow, right? What is its color? Black. Yes, crow is black in color. Now look at this. What is this? Yes, this is a pigeon. It flies here and there. You must have seen it around your house. Some of you might have seen its nest also. So this is a pigeon. What is this now? Yes, this is a sparrow. Tiny little sparrow. Children, pigeons are common, but sparrows are nowadays not commonly seen. Yes, sparrows are left very few. What is its color? It is brown in color. Now what is this again? This is a parrot. Green colored parrot. Yes, have you seen a parrot? I hope you all have seen a parrot. Now again, what is this? This is a peacock. Can you see it? Yes, it is a peacock. Beautiful peacock. It has such a beautiful feathers. Isn't it? I know many of your favorite bird is peacock. Now children, now you have got an idea that we are what going to study. Yes, what are we going to study about? What are these pigeon, parrot, sparrow and crow? Are these animals? Are these animals? No, they are birds. So children, we are going to study the first chapter which is about birds in your GK textbook, and that is the first chapter, Name These Birds. Look at the textbook. Chapter 1 is Name These Birds. If you look at a glance, you can see some pictures are given and something is written beside the pictures. Let's read what they are asking for us to do. There are so many beautiful and amazing birds in the world. There are many beautiful birds, amazing birds in this world. Some of them we might have not seen yet. Name the birds shown below with the help of the description. They have given pictures and also given the description that will help us to write their names in the blank. Look at the first picture closely. Yes, this is a water bird with a broad beak and a web feet. Look at its beak. It is broad, and look at its feet. If you look at the feet of this bird, they are webbed. Fingers are joined with skin. See, it helps them to swim in water. Which bird is this? Yes, this is a duck. D for duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Now look at the second picture. Yes, you might have identified with the help of picture, but let's read the description. It stays awake at night and hoots when it makes a sound. Do you know, children? This bird stays awake. Awake means जागता रहता है, सोता नहीं है रात को. It stays awake at night and hoots when it makes a sound. When it makes sound, the sound sounds like hoots. What is the name of this bird? Yes, this is owl. O-W-L, owl. Now look at the third picture. Yes, a black and white bird that cannot fly. It lives around icy water and swims well. Children, do you know that these birds cannot fly? It can walk and swim. And this bird lives around icy water. जहाँ पे स्नो होता है, बर्फ होती है, ये वहीं पे रहता है. And it cannot fly, but it can swim. Yes, have you identified this bird? This is a penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Now look at the fourth picture. I know with the help of picture you might name the bird, but let's read its description. They are green in color with curved beak. Some of them can even speak like humans. Look at its color. It is green colored and its beak is red and curved. Do you know, children? If these parrots are trained, we can make them speak like us. Some parrots speaks Mitu Mitu, Ram Ram. So they can speak like us if they are trained. So what is the name of this bird? Yes, P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Now look at the last picture. Such a beautiful bird, isn't it? I know you can name it without reading, but let's read. This male bird has long and colorful feathers. They open like a fan. They open like a big round fan at times. Look at their big, colorful, long feathers. And when this peacock are happy, they open up this feather and it turns into big round fan and they start dancing. Children, do you know that male bird is called peacock and female bird is called peahen? But here is a picture of male bird. So what will be the answer? Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Okay. I hope you have understood the whole chapter. Now we will see you in next class. That time we will solve the exercise. Till that time, take care of yourself.